I am Cantug and this is Ivan from Bulgaria, my assistant.
Okay.
And we will cook tonight chicken breast with red wine and beer. And we have coconut, 1 coconut. And we have butter, natural butter.
It's from my village.
We have 1 tablespoon of flour and half kilogram mushroom, no filter beer, red wine, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, 1 egg, 1 glass of water and 1 kilogram chicken breast. When he is melting butter, and we should prepare the other things, and we should break the egg and adding the water, and we mix it up. And then we should add the flour, but you should be slowly, because it will be topak topak.
Süper yemek.
That's all, and we should stir it up. And it's okay. It's ready. And first of all, we have this mixing, and we are adding yogurt, and then melted butter. Put it. Thank you, Ivan. And we have 1 coffee cup wine, and we are adding it. And after all, we should add the chickens, but we have to wait for 1 hour to marinate the chickens, and we have to wait. And then we are adding the mushrooms, and coconuts, and 2 tea glasses of water. That's all for this, and we should mix them. When mushroom and coconuts are cooking, we have to prepare beer and yogurt sauce, and 1 teaspoon of yogurt, and we need 200 milliliter beer. That's enough, I think. And mix it again. Coconuts and mushrooms are roasted, and then we should put the chickens in there, and we have to cook for 1 minute. We cook for 1 minute, and then we are adding the beer sauce. And everything is okay, and we are roasting. We have to wait. That's all. Our meal is ready, and I hope you will enjoy with your meal.
It's so hot.
Thank you for watching.
Süper yemek.